Good evening, friends, family, strangers, whoever's watching. Welcome back to what is basically a coronavirus cooking show. Today we're switching it up. We're gonna be making breakfast instead of dinner. We're making peanut butter and banana protein pancakes. These are perfect whether or not you work out, just because they're so filling, and if you know you're about to have a really long day ahead of you and you're not sure when you're gonna be able to eat again, these are perfect. To make these, you're obviously gonna need peanut butter, you're gonna need bananas, you're gonna need your maple syrup, or if you like using agave or whatever, that's fine too. If you have them available, having almonds is really cool. For the pancakes themselves, I really like to buy Kodiak Cake pancake mix. Really, really awesome brand, not a shit ton of added sugars. For this video, I would ideally have their peanut butter pancake mix, but they're out of it at the store. If your store doesn't carry Kodiak cakes, that's totally fine. Any pancake mix will work, and if you want to just buy a packet of protein powder, or if you have protein powder at home, you can just add like a little scoop of it. So going ahead and getting started, we're gonna make our mix. The box's instructions say to use 1 cup of mix and 3/4 cups of water, but that makes too many pancakes for me. I can usually never finish them. I cut that in half and I use a 1/2 cup of mix, and then I don't know what 1/2 of 3/4 is. Alexa, what's 1/2 of 3/4?
1/2 of 3/4 is 0.375.
Okay, Alexa said 0.375. Just use 3/4 of whatever a 1/2 cup is if you're following my instructions for just pancakes for one. You're gonna whisk that up. If it's looking a little too thick, that's okay. Just add a little bit more water at a time until it's at a consistency that you're happy with. You're gonna heat your pan to medium-high and add a little scoop of your pancake mix. You should be using about 1/2 of whatever is in your bowl if you're following my instructions. I think some of people's biggest downfalls with pancakes sometimes is they're so damn impatient that when they try to flip them, they just kind of like fall apart. You gotta wait until you see the tiny bubbles form at the top of your pancake before you flip it. When you start to see those little bubbles form at the top, that's when you know you're good to flip it. Go ahead and repeat that process twice or however many times until you use up all your batter. In the meantime, you can go ahead and start cutting up your banana so you can get these little cute banana slices to include later. Roughly chop your almonds. You don't have to go too crazy. I just like to do this so I'm not getting whole bites of almonds when I eat this. And then once you're ready to go ahead and assemble your plate, you're gonna put the pancake that you accidentally burnt at the bottom. You're gonna cover that with peanut butter, put a layer of some of your banana slices, and then you're gonna put your prettiest pancake on the top so you can impress yourself and your friends, or just yourself. Add a few more bananas for garnish, and then do that really awesome maple syrup drizzle. And for those almonds, just go ahead and sprinkle them on top. Add as many as you want, as little as you want, or just don't add almonds at all. It's okay, it's your life, your pancakes. And then once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. I know I said that these are a breakfast item, but I am currently eating these at 4 p.m. So I guess I'm really not gonna be eating dinner. They're dense, not gonna lie. Anytime I've made these, they're very, very dense. Obviously that's probably because of the peanut butter and the fact that they're protein pancakes, so maybe have some water nearby. It really doesn't take much of these to fill you up at all. Like, these are really, really, really filling. I know I said I usually buy the peanut butter version of these pancakes, but I'm kind of not mad at the cinnamon oat that they have going on here. In any event, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go eat my breakfast dinner here, and I'll see you in the next one.